Hey guys, what's up? My name is Mikko, this is Project Boxy, and today we are going to make whiskey sour. And the ingredients are as follows. Whiskey, I use Jack Daniels, so we got lemon, we need some sugar, and to make this such a protein bomb, we got an egg here. We will garnish with some orange, we also need ice, and optionally some Angostura Bitter. Let's get to work. If your ice blocks are as big as mine, then a rolling pin and tea towel will be your best friends here. All you need to do is to lay down your tea towel, put the ice in, and start crushing. And there you have it. Nice crushed ice in different sizes. Now we can use that. Now let's start building the drink. So we put in the shaker 2 parts whiskey, 1 part of lemon juice, half part of sugar, then we break the egg in, fill it with ice, close the lid and shake it like never before. Then after a good mix, pour it in the glass. Put some of the crushed ice in. Then garnish with some fresh orange. And throw in few drops of Angostura. And look at this. And then it's time to taste. Looks beautiful. Smells fresh. Very good. The sweetness of the sugar, the sourness of the lemon, nice balance. And then comes the Jack and the egg. And the Angostura Bitter gives a nice kick in the end. Very nice drink overall. Give me a big thumbs up if you liked the video. Please remember to subscribe and see you next time.